So do you ever wonder how to create an AI agent that actually solves real business problems? Not just chat for fun, but one that analyzes data, automates tasks, and delivers meaningful insights. In a world where AI is often seen as a novelty, it's easy to forget its true potential, solving real-world challenges for real people. That's why I built a project using Langflow, an open-source, no-code visual framework designed to make building AI agents easier, faster, and more modular. Langflow lets you design logic flows visually, kind of like programming that building blocks. You can connect powerful language models like GPT, plug in APIs, create custom prompt templates, add memory, use embeddings, and even integrate vector database, all through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. In this project, I created the SME Financial Assistant bot, an AI agent designed specifically to help small and medium-sized business owners. Instead of manually going through spreadsheets and raw CSV files, users can simply upload their monthly financial report, and the bot will instantly summarize it, showing key insights like income, expenses, and cash flow trends. It's fast, simple, and useful. Exactly what AI should be. Let me show you how it works. So let's take a look on how my SME financial assistant bot works behind the scenes using Langflow's visual interface. At the hub of this flow is a CSV output component, where the user provides their monthly financial data, for example, income, expenses, profit, and other metrics for a small business report. Then once uploaded, the data is processed and goes into a prompt template, which the sales data in the CSV file will be passed into this prompt template. To support Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or Groq, we integrated HuggingFace embeddings using the BAI BGE Large EN Me 1.5 model. This helps convert the past financial data into vector embeddings. Those embeddings are then stored inside a Astra DB, a powerful vector database that supports similarity search. This means my bot can later recall and listen over past financial data efficiently, making the chatbot much more intelligent and grounded. From there, the user's natural language question can be asked in the chat input. So the user can ask a question like, what's the largest expenses in April? Then, the question is combined and then passed into a prompt template. So let's take a look in my prompt template. So here, we have our system prompt where we tell the agent what is its role, and then what it should do, and then how will the output format look like. So for example, you can see here, I've defined the role of my agent. We are a powerful and knowledgeable financial assistant for small and medium-sized business owners. You analyze financial records such as income, expenses, categories, and notes provided in CSV or spreadsheet format. And I've defined the responsibilities of my agent, such as generating insightful summaries from uploaded financial data, and answer user questions about the uploaded data. To enhance its reasoning, I also added the DuckDuckGo search tool. This lets the bot fetch live financial context. For example, what's the latest tax deadline for SMEs in Europe? The agent can also use this tool to get the information and provide some financial advice to the user. Then the prompt template is sent into the agent block, which use Llama 3XB instruct from Groq, an extremely fast, cost-effective open source LLM, perfect for performance on structured tasks like financial analysis. Finally, the output is delivered cleanly through the chat input, completing the loop. So let's see the live demo of my financial assistant bot. So I've uploaded the sample financial report sheet. And then let's run this component. Okay, so I can see the chat output by clicking this playground here. So you can see the response of our financial works. So you can see the summary part, which we will summarize the income, expenses, and net balance of the financial report. And then we will list out the top 3 expense categories and the potential risk spending patterns. And it also gives the financial tips to the user. So, besides summarize our financial report, we also allow user to ask some questions about the financial report. And we also can also ask the question about the past financial report. So, Langflow is a platform that's super easy to use if you are a beginner to build an AI agent. So in future, we can use this financial assistant bot. So thanks for watching my demo of the SME financial assistant bot built entirely using Langflow. This project shows how visual AI development can solve real-world problems by turning real financial data into clear, actionable insights for business owners. But there's still plenty of room to grow. In the future, I plan to give some education so each SME can manage their own data securely, support multi-month trend analysis and automatic chart generation for visual reports, allow exports to PDF or Google Sheet for easy sharing with stakeholders or accountants. Langflow made building and interacting incredibly intuitive, from prompt generate to RAG to file handling, all without needing to write complex backend code. If you are thinking about building an AI agent to solve a real business challenge, I highly recommend starting with Langflow.